And what we are doing in terms of technical work, we are investigating the different AI frameworks that can be applied to 3D graphics compression, and in particular to point cloud compression. We are investigating different models, neural network architectures. Of course, a lot of and important work is on data sets, because these AI approaches are using content for training. So data set is a key factor. What should be used for training them to learn the models. We have some works on comparisons between different existing models. What are their performances in terms of compression, but also in terms of complexity. As a group, we are interested in having AI compression approaches for the entire object, including geometry and attributes. In general, the scientific literature, at least, is focused on geometry only. Very few of them are addressing attributes. And by the way, there is much more bitrate that is usually spent on attributes than on geometry. But people like geometry. That was also the case with the traditional methods. We had a lot of publications on geometry and much less on attributes, despite the fact that the real impact is on the attributes. Also, we are interested in static and dynamic point clouds. Work is published on dynamic, but the group is in that direction. In general, comparing this work with the traditional way of developing standards for compression, we realize that is something that is much more complex. With the AI approach, this is something much more difficult to set, because we know that the performances of a model will depend even about the data that is used for learning. So the activity is continuing, of course, with the objective to, at a certain moment, to have a call for proposal and look for technologies to define a new standard, one or several, we will see, that are using this new trend in technology development, which are the AI-based methods. We are producing at every, let me just check that I'm still online. I am. We are producing at every meeting 3 important documents that are improved at each meeting. For newcomers interested in this activity, that would be the starting point. So a document is about guidelines on how to conduct AI exploration experiments. A second is related to the data set, and the third one is related to the way how the performances are analyzed.